In this training demonstration, we're going to review how MetaStock XENITH's search box can provide you access to a vast range of information, including data, news, and applications. Let's start by typing in Microsoft. You can see that Auto Suggests provides information like an overview of the company, business information, a quote, a chart, and company chart overview. So let's just select Microsoft as it's listed first. The company overview opens in a resizable floating window showing real-time data. You can quickly restore the last search term and auto-suggest results by clicking onto the search icon, which is the magnifying glass. Now, let's look at opening an app from the search box. Let's select the news component, and this is done by typing in Microsoft News and select News component. Next, let's open up a chart of a euro currency. So we're going to type in euro and select chart. And finally, let's get a quote for Apple and select quote from the auto suggest. And you can quickly arrange your floating apps into a customizable workspace. And now we're going to save our workspace. Thank you for joining me today on MetaStock XENITH's search box.